Yo, man, it's your boy Kato Media, man, and I wanted to show y'all how it is being a first-time agent, where you will have to go through and probably tell you which brokerage you need to, join, man. So make sure y'all stay along with me, man, on this ride, because I'm gonna give you the real, nothing but the real, none of that fabricated stuff that they do online, man. Let's get it. Hey guys, I wanted to show you a recent property that I did an open house on. So just give you an idea if you're looking to purchase in the future or you need help finding a home. I want to assist you the best way possible. So let's go inside. And this is a pretty nice house. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So let's go in the front area here. This would be considered, I would say, like the dining area. If you want to make this the dining area, this would be fine, or any living room space that you want to provide in this area. This would be a great room. See, let's go straight across here. You can make this room into like an office space. This is pretty nice. A decent amount of room as well. There's a window here. Or this could be like the entertainment room. If you want to make this the entertainment room, this could be that as well. But just to show you guys, man, if you want to purchase a house. So this is how I set up my open houses. We'll get to that in a second. This will be the kitchen area. You have your microwave oven combination there, stove, possibly another plug-in for like TV or something. But yeah, this is how I set up my open houses, man. I have my portfolio. I want to make sure you have your portfolio so you can show people. They want to see a track record. What can you do? Why would they pick you as an agent? I also have my monthly planner, weekly planner right there. That's where I keep my updates as far as my meetings. I have your contracts on hand, just in case. And also a sign-in sheet for potential prospects. So here is a side closet. This is washer and dryer hookup here. This here would be garage door here. This is the garage space. Pretty spacious, man. Pretty spacious. So let's keep walking. The backyard area. Sectional TV, living room setup as well. I think I passed the bathroom, actually. Let me make sure you guys see that. So this is the bathroom right here. It's a 3.5 bath, 4-bedroom property. Let's go upstairs, see how it looks. They are still taking offers as well, I believe, with this property. This could be like the kids' room. This is bedroom number 1. You can make this into a guest room, kids' room, and also repaint it as well. You have your closet space. Type of walk-in. I guess you could say that's a walk-in type of closet, walk-in space. Just keep walking here. Now I fell in love with the bedroom. You got the bedroom, master bedroom, but we'll come back to that. You have your closet space right there. Let's see. Closet space right here. This would be bathroom number 2 here. This is a decent sized bathroom. nice sized bathroom. We have bedroom number 2. So I didn't get to the master bedroom yet, but yeah, this could be another, I guess, guest bedroom. And even if you wanted to make it into another kid's room, if you have family, this house would work out perfectly. But this is just similar open houses that I've done. This is bedroom number 3. Decent sized bathroom. Okay, closet. Decent sized closet space. So yeah, I mean, once you get everything set up, man, it's really not as difficult as far as home buying. I can provide you with all the proper resources that you need to get everything started. So this would be the master bedroom. I love the light here. The chandelier is what got me. The lighting is so nice. This is the master bedroom. This is the fan. It's actually a fan. It turns into a fan. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, this would be the master bedroom area. Got a nice backyard. Got your sit-down tub here. And you have a standing shower. This is, I mean, it's a nice property. Walk-in closet space. Yeah, as I mentioned, that's what I do, man. Try to help people find homes that fits their needs. This is one of the open houses that I've done. We try to do some every week. Yeah, this is pretty much the setup. There's a nice backyard as well. So, just wanted to give you some insight.